So just imagine this. There is 5 of you in one area, and you have 5-star review compared to other businesses. Google will recommend you because you have the most 5-star compared to other businesses in the area. So the more Google review, the better. I know as a business owner like yourself, you are so busy running your business. That's why let's maximize AI to our business. If you're ready, let's begin. What's up mga kap? It's me again, Kap Joey, the founder, social media expert. I'm going to share with you how 𝗄𝗲𝗲𝗶 and its AI can help us to grow our business. So quick question before we start. Do you have a Google business page? If you don't have, let me know in the comment section, and probably I'm going to create a next video for this. How to create Google business page. Another question is, do you have a 𝗄𝗲𝗲 account? Because I'm going to use 𝗄𝗲𝗲𝗶 for this AI Google review automations. So let's begin. Simply go to reputation. Go to the settings. On the settings, click auto response. So how it works with the auto response, AI will do an automatic response to anyone that created or make a review to your business. So I'm going to show you on our business laundromat. I'll just go to the review here, and then you will see here, this is our review. Click the new. So we have 10 hours ago. Wonderful service, clean, fast, great service. And our AI says, thank you for a fantastic review. We're thrilled to hear that you appreciate our service and communicate. Your recommendations means a lot of us, and we look forward of serving you again soon. So that's how the AI works. So click auto response, and that's it. That's how easy it is, right? And then also you can edit this one. So you can create agent, and then you can also create agent from the scratch. I'm going to click proceed and just name this review AI and your business name. Okay, and then here try to create prompt. So I'm going to share with you the prompt that I have here. You will provided with a review of business. Your task is to generate an appropriate response. This reply will be used directly in real-world business settings. Do not ask follow-up questions. Do not include salutations at the end of the reply. Keep the response with 5 sentences or less. There's also a tone for the AI to respond. If you want it playful, grateful, friendly, right? The language is dynamic in English, and review sources. If someone reviewed on your Facebook or on your Google, AI will respond for it. Okay, and just simply save it, and that's it, right? So just save, and all done. Now the next one is the review link. The review link is very important because this is where the AI will send. So this is the review link. So I'm going to show you here. If I'm going to copy this and go to this link, there will be a pop-up on the Google. So this is the pop-up where I will type my Google review, right? So same thing with Facebook. I'll just double click this and it will go to Facebook review, right? So the SMS request. So if we want to send review through SMS, I'll just click yes on this, like on, turn this on, and then click edit this. And then this is the text message that we're going to send to our customer. Hey there, thank you for choosing location name, which is your business name. Would you be willing to take 30 seconds and leave us a quick review? And here's the reputation link, and that's it. And they're going to click that and make a review. So this is the reputation link. So this is the default, the Google. So whatever the custom value for this is equivalent to this Google review. Now email request, we can simply turn this on, okay, and there will be created templates that you don't need to create new email because we already have templates for you. So I'm going to create set email templates. There's a live default one, and there will be another default email, and let's click save this. So this is the default one, And let's say repeat every 3 days, maximum of 3 days. And there will be another email for you. Here you go, the second repeat email, retry number 2. And there is a template that is already created. So you just need to select 3 days, right? So I'm going to show you how it looks like. So this is one way to save your time. You don't need to create email. You don't need to create design because it's already done for you. For example, here, hello, your customer's name. There's an email. Thank you for choosing your business name. We hope your recent experience exceeded your expectation. Then click write a review here, right? So it will be sent to your customer's email. And now let's click the second one. Okay, so another email here that is already done for you. So that's how easy it is. Now, to do this, you have 2 options. You can also request review by sending click send review, okay, and then choose the contact. For example, this one, I'm going to click SMS because I already have text message for them, and then click send review. That's easy. Super easy, right? And now if you want to send an email, I'll just, all right, for testing. So we don't, so this email, it will send you an email like this, and then click email, SMS, and send review. So that's how easy it is to request a review. So now you have 2 automations. Number 1, our AI will able to automate the response. Second thing is you can easily send Google review to your customer. And the last one is I want you also to download a QR code. So we already have a QR code that is done for you. So I'm going to show this edit. You can put it in the counter or maybe on your table so that people can scan this and create a Google review. So you don't need to do anything because it's already done for you. You just click download and that's it. So if you are interested to maximize your AI to your business, click the link right now and join our free webinar and free Go High Level account today. Thank you so much, mga kap, and see you on the next one.